Are you ready to dive deep and discover the magic of non-duality, the hidden connections that tie us all together in this crazy world that we live in? In the mad rush of our lives, we're always getting caught up with our egos. We define the good versus bad, or me versus you, success versus failure, and so on. But in non-duality, there's something more, something deeper beneath the surface. A unity that runs through everything like a hidden river. A unity that ties us all together, breaking down dualities like the good and the bad, the me and you, and all that ego stuff. Non-duality is all about recognizing the deep connection and oneness of everything. It emphasizes the interconnectedness and interdependence of all things. Boundaries between ourselves and others is illusory. And this philosophy isn't something new. Non-duality suggests that our brains are limited when it comes to seeing reality. It's almost like a filter waiting to be removed. We're always dividing things up into opposites, light and dark, joy and sorrow, success and failure, and that's what fuels all the strife and bother in the world today. Non-duality is about rising above all of that, to see the bigger picture, the oneness that binds us all. Breaking free from these mental chains, we can uncover the cosmic unity, underpinning all the diversity in the world, which is key to breaking down barriers, and start to see the world through a different lens, literally. The whole concept of a solid, separate self, i.e. the I, is a trick of the mind, an illusion, if you like. In non-duality, there is no permanent self. Instead, it proposes that the self is a dynamic and ever-changing construct, not separate from, but interwoven with the entirety of existence, a fluid and impermanent aspect of the interconnected web of reality. And when we wake up to this and realise the emptiness of our egos, that's when we can truly connect with all beings in the universe. At the heart of non-duality is the call for direct experience, living headfirst in the present moment without all the mind-made clutter. This raw, unfiltered way of seeing things for what they really are lets us touch the very essence of reality, to feel the heartbeat of connection that beats within every one of us. Through direct experience, we discover a wellspring of peace, compassion, freedom, liberation. So take a moment to ponder the deep impact non-duality philosophy can have on our lives. Once we start delving into the oneness, the no-self, and the direct experience, we can start to grasp the truth of our interconnected nature and break free of the traps of our dualistic minds. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on non-duality. Please like, subscribe and comment. It really does help for the channel to grow. It would be great to hear your thoughts as well, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.